Statistics show that cancer will touch nearly 40% of people during their lifetime. One person that has gone through this ordeal is Charlotte Carson. She's with us today. She's with Riser Media Group in Texas. Hello, Charlotte. Welcome to the show.
Hello, Jeff. How are you?
Good. Hope you're doing well. Cancer has touched you, and I know you've pushed through it, but tell us your story. What have you dealt with? Whatever you're comfortable sharing.
Sure. In 2014, life was going amazing for me. I was doing very well. My career was taking off. Everything was going amazing. And I was diagnosed on April 15th, 2014 with triple negative breast cancer. I was really kind of surprised by this diagnosis. I had no family history of breast cancer. So the diagnosis was very shocking to me. I was very young. I was less than 40 years of age at that time. So I was really surprised by the diagnosis. However, I knew that this is just what was given to me, and it's all about how you face it when you're in the fight of your life. And so for me, I just moved forward. I did what the doctor said. Chemo, you've heard all the stories regarding chemo. Chemo can be rough, but during that time, you have a really hard time providing for your family. So as a mother and a wife, those were my biggest concerns, is how am I going to provide for my family? And I had a sweet friend who actually contacted Cleaning for a Reason. And I was the recipient of a free home cleaning for my home. That took a huge weight off of my shoulders, because I knew that my family, I might not be able to do the cleaning and scrub a toilet, but they were there. The cleaning tech came in, and it was interesting to me because it was the first time in a couple of months that somebody looked at me and didn't say, "Oh, poor you." And she just came in with the biggest, brightest smile and said, "I'm here to help." And just got busy taking care of my home. And it was a huge relief for me to know that my family was taken care of for that week, that our home was clean, the toilet was clean, and I didn't have to take care of that. So for me, Cleaning for a Reason, being a recipient, it was extremely important. It not only helped me to not physically have to go and clean my home, but emotionally, I knew that my family was taken care of. So it was a great blessing to me to be able to be a recipient of that. And I really strongly feel like there are so many out there that need this. And it's important that people are able to receive this gift as well.